Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can format texts in Google Docs. This is Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. Formatting the text in the Google Docs helps to improve the looks of your text inside the document, which helps to grab readers' attention and make your documents more beautiful. So some of the topics involved inside the formatting texts are fonts, bold and italic, color, aligning and spacing. Now let me highlight the topic of this text right here. And if you want to change the font size, then you can simply click on the number right here and you'll be shown with the pop-up of list of numbers. Increasing the number will increase the size of the font. So let me just set to 24. So you can see that the size of the title has gotten bigger. Now in order to change the font, what you can do is simply click on the font right here and you can choose many of the fonts from here. If you want even more fonts according to your comfortability, then you can go to more fonts and you'll see a lot of fonts here, which you can sort out in this section right here. So let me suppose that I want to choose this font right here. Click on OK and you can see that the font has been changed. Now in order to highlight the document, you can also use bold, italic or underline. In order to change the color, you can simply click on this right here and change the color according to your preference. So you can see that the color of the topic has been changed. Now, another feature used in the formatting text is line spacing. In order to create spaces between the line, you can use this feature. For example, let me highlight this text right here. And this right here is the line spacing option. Click on it. Now let me set it to 1.5. Now you can see the spaces between the lines. This is what line spacing is. Now let me select an entire paragraph, go to line spacing and click on add space before paragraph. So you can see that there is a space before the paragraph starts. So this is one of the formatting feature as well. Now for the alignment, let me select the topic and go to aligning option right here. Now you can select the align option as left align, center align, right align or justify. So the center line must be perfect for the title. Click on it and your title will be set at the center. In order to change your text to link, what you can do is highlight the text and simply go to this option right here as shown in the screen. Click on it and your text will be changed to hyperlink. So these were some of the formatting text options inside the Google Docs. There are many more features you can optimize and get used to formatting text. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.